Could these tiny, clip-on earbuds actually deliver amazing sound without ever touching your ear canal? This new Quidnuran TW90 promises exactly that, and it's quite a fascinating concept. Right out of the box, what immediately strikes you is its innovative open-ear design. Forget the discomfort of traditional in-ear headphones. These Quidnuran earbuds feature a lightweight surround frame that simply clips on, avoiding any pressure inside your ears. It's a design choice that not only ensures comfort even after hours of wear, but also eliminates the worry of them falling out during activity. Weighing in at a mere 28 grams, these open-ear headphones are made from ultralight nanomaterials. You barely notice them. Whether you're running, cycling, or hiking, they don't add any noticeable burden, allowing you to truly immerse yourself in your activity without distraction. It's a feeling of freedom that's hard to beat. Now, let's talk about the magic behind the sound. The Quidnuran TW90 utilizes the latest generation of bone conduction technology. This means high-quality audio is delivered directly through your facial bones, providing a clear and crisp sound experience. What's truly impressive is that this open-ear approach doesn't isolate you from your surroundings. You can enjoy your music or podcast while still being fully aware of traffic, conversations, or any important environmental sounds. This safety aspect is a huge win, especially for outdoor enthusiasts. Connectivity is handled by Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring a stable and fast connection to your devices. Pairing is quick and seamless. And yes, there's a built-in microphone, so taking calls on the go is no problem. You can chat away while cycling or working, maintaining clear communication. But perhaps one of the most amazing features is its durability. These aren't just sweat-proof, they're IPX8 full-body waterproof. We're talking swimming, bathing, heavy rain, you name it. The Quidnuran TW90 can handle it all. Imagine enjoying your favorite tunes while doing laps in the pool. That's a game changer for many. And with up to 8 hours of music or call time on a single charge, they're ready for extended adventures. In conclusion, the Quidnuran TW90 offers a truly unique and compelling audio experience. It masterfully blends comfort, safety, and robust durability with surprisingly good sound quality, all in an incredibly lightweight package. For anyone seeking an open-ear solution that keeps them connected to both their audio and their world, this is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.